welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my updated everyday quick makeup tutorial. If you guys are into beauty and lifestyle videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Typically day to day, I just want to look more natural, less cakey, less heavy makeup. So I'm going to start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I really just like this primer because of one, the texture, and two, just how hydrating it is. Most of my primers are like mattifying primers, and I just have found throughout like quarantine and not really wearing makeup that much that I still love those primers, but for more of a natural glowy finish, I like to use this primer instead. This is a new step that I have been incorporating lately, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in number 2 Light. I'm not too entirely sure on how to use this, but I've been just using this where I would highlight. So like the top of my cheekbones, down the side of my nose, a little bit up here. And then I just use my foundation brush. This is my all-time favorite one, the one from Rare Beauty. And I just tap it in. I don't know why my face is so red right there. It might be like the new house and like my skin is freaking out because it's like different water. But I've been breaking out just on my temples, like right here, and I don't know why. My favorite go-to foundation to get that glowy skin-like skin foundation, I am using the Rare Beauty and number 210N, which now, actually, I don't know. I just feel like I'm getting paler as the days go on. Just using my foundation brush. I just love how lightweight and easy this foundation is. I think it covers, see how the redness there is kind of gone. It covers, just looks like skin. And then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Concealer in 2.3. And with this stuff on more natural days, I just put a little bit on the inner corner because this stuff does really spread. And I'm just using a Morphe fluffy concealer brush just to blend it in. See how much brighter that just makes the under eye? Makes it brighter and smoother. It's my favorite concealer at the moment. Just to set it really lightly, I'm going to go over my foundation with my Makeup Forever powder. And I'm using a clean blush brush because my foundation brush is in the other room. So day to day, I just usually use powder. It's a little bit softer than like my dip brow that I normally use, but I did just get this in last week or two ago, and it is the Patrick Ta Tinted Shaping Wax, and I've been really liking this stuff. And I forgot the Fix Plus, I'll be right back. For this, since this is more of like a natural get ready with me, I'm going to use both, which I haven't used both together, so we'll see how it works out. But you're just going to use a little bit of Fix Plus, spray it onto the tint, and then I bought the Patrick Ta brush with it, and you use the spoolie side, kind of get some product in the bristles, and you just comb upwards And honestly, I was pretty skeptical on this product because I have my brows ombre powder filled and my brows are pretty sparse. So I wasn't sure if this would even work with like my non-existent brow hairs. I make sure all the brow hairs have like wax in it, and you can see that it looks super messy. I'm gonna take the side of the brush and just push up. I know it's gonna look crazy right now because my hairs stick straight down, so I want my hairs to be able to, you know, not stick straight down. So then I take the spoolie and then I just go across the top because I don't want my brows to actually like be sticking up. Then I go in with the brow powder. I just fill in the sparse areas. I don't know, is it just me or is the camera picking up my brows to be really red? Which is not the case, but I feel like with brow gels, my hair just falls back down. This is like glue. And then I just clean it up with my NARS Creamy Concealer like usual. For me, day to day, I don't really bother with eyeshadow. What I usually do is I'll take the bronzer that I'm using for my face and I just take a fluffy brush. I'm using a Smashbox blending brush and just bronzer that you're gonna use for your cheeks, and I just run it really quickly in the crease and on the lid. I like to do this just for me because I have monolids, so if I don't put anything on, it looks pretty flat and bare looking since I do, you know, put concealer on my lids. So I will just usually do a very light dusting of whatever bronzer, or you could just use any matte shade. Typically I'll just do one just to give my eyes some sort of dimension. And then we're gonna go in with my Lashify lashes. I got a couple requests to do like an updated Lashify lash extensions kind of review, and so let me know if you guys want to see that in a separate video, but I will link down below my first impressions, and I pretty much just do the same exact thing that I did. So I'm just gonna breeze through me applying them. I still love them. I think it provides a much more natural lash extension look, which is my favorite look. Can't wait until I can get lash extensions again. So I just curl my lashes because my lashes stick straight down. So this is just purely because my lashes stick straight down. It's easier for me to apply the lash glossomers because my lashes aren't sticking straight down. So I'm just gonna use the Whisper Light Flexible Bond, and I just use the white side and apply a thin but even coat on all lashes. And then I start with my EE16s and I do 2 on the outer edge. So I put one down, stamp that together, do another one. I'll do this in real time so you guys can see how fast and easy, and this is why I love Lashify. I can put lashes on pretty quick, but these are even quicker because you don't have to do mascara. That was EE15, and then the last one is EE13, which is the shortest one. And then and just fuse them all together. Super easy. So next, eyeball. I don't know why, but when I do my left eye, it goes so much faster and easier. Ta-da! Super easy, super fast to apply. Once you get the hang of it, it's so fast. And honestly, so normally you put on the glass as the last step to kind of seal it in. I typically just take off my gossamers every night. I just take them off just simply because I'm not wearing them every day. It would probably be different if I was back to work and, you know, wearing these every single day. I definitely would try to see how long they would last on my lashes. But since I'm only wearing them whenever I, you know, put on makeup, which is like once a week, I typically just take them off at night so I can wash my face, you know, just be comfortable without lashes on. So I skip the glass step only because I'm taking them off at the end of the night, and I haven't ever had a problem because I made sure that they're bonded and really on there. I've never had a problem wearing them all day and my lashes coming off. So I can typically wear these all day without any problem and then just taking them off at night. Do whatever is comfortable with your lashes. So next I'm just gonna do a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the Aesthetica bronzer, and I'm just gonna use a big fluffy Morphe brush and just go under the cheekbones, on my forehead. And for a little bit of color, I'm going to use the Milani Luminoso blush. It's just like a very light peachy blush with a little bit of shine to it. And for highlight, I change up my highlighter day to day, but I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier highlight number 1. This is more of a softer highlight. To me. For my lips, I just want to do something soft. I just bought this new Maybelline gloss in Stone, so I want to use this. Let's just go with my trusty combo Makeup Forever Total Taupe Liner and Kat Von D Ophelia Lip Gloss. Lastly, the Maybelline gloss in Stone. Ooh, that's a really pretty gloss. I really like this color. All right, so that is the finished look of my updated everyday quick makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below any videos you guys want to see in the year 2021. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Just the blender. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did I already say that?